Good morning, folks, reporting live from the Keystone State here in Pennsylvania. Headed today towards Bear Creek Mountain Resort, located in Macungie, Pennsylvania. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Today we're working with 510 feet of vertical, 23 total trails there at the resort, and again, they're all going to be open. It looks like they got about 2 inches of snow overnight. This is our first new Mid-Atlantic mountain of the season that we're giving the shred score to. So I'm excited to give another Mid-Atlantic shred score and put it there in the standings, see how it stacks up. I'm headed your way, Eagles fans, because I know that the Super Bowl's today, so we'll know the winner by the time this thing's posted. But I hope that y'all are just, enjoying the popcorn on the couch and not headed to the ski hill. So that was my plan today. But looking forward to getting out there at the hill, shredding some turns, and let's get ripping. Alright folks, welcome to Bear Creek Mountain Resort here in Macungie, Pennsylvania. This is the run named Sasquatch. Their steepest trail that they offer. It's pretty steep. I mean, I know on the camera it's not going to look like anything, but we haven't even skied on the snow yet, so we're going right to you, Sasquatch, but I wonder if there's a good entry point. Well, I'll just have to send it. Alright, hold on tight. That's all ice. Oh, pow. All right, here we go. Another black diamond named Bear trap. Well, we're all wrapped up here at Bear Creek Mountain Resort, located in Macungie, Pennsylvania. What a day it was out there. Had a great time. First new Mid-Atlantic mountain of the season. Pretty excited to give a shred score. We're going to give this place a 3.1. I believe that's fair. This place definitely offers everything you need to get better. They have some fairly steep trails. I was a little surprised. Bear Creek offers a good footprint to get used to big mountain skiing because there's multiple lifts and different ways to get to them, so it kind of trains you like how to ski around and use the mountain and whatnot, and kind of navigating. So if you take a trip to a larger mountain, then Bear Creek is a great place to start. But looking forward to getting out to my next hill. I'm going to be going back to Maine to meet up with Jason Fuller there at Sunday River. Looking forward to seeing everybody out there next week in Maine, and I'll see y'all next time.